Smart, my mic was muted. So, hey, hello, and welcome to another day of me streaming. Yeah, I basically forgot it. I'm in the stream right now, so let's turn the music on. Yeah, it's off. That's not on. What the fuck is going on here? There we go. All right. Mm, let's start with the charts. Basically, on the weekly, we traded down to the 18, no, 9 EMA, and right now we're like we opened at the 18 EMA, and right now we're higher. At this moment, we're trading around the 1 week conquer encouragement of the week, which is this one here, and below the volume imbalance and the fair value gap of today. Um, not of today. I'm very sorry. Of the week of the 3rd of March. Let's look on the daily. On the daily, we have 3 up close candles, bookmark here, and the cluster above us. I do expect price to go at least to the cluster. So let's see. What else do we have here? On a 4-hour chart, we have this buy side already been taking out and the sell side as well. So I think everything is aligned for higher prices here. I think we will see them very soon. And yeah. Mm -hmm. Mm -hmm. Basically, we respected this level. It was so damn much, and this as well is so beautiful. So I do think we will see higher prices. Oh, so tired. Damn, it's Friday. It's Friday night. Saturday, Sunday. Oh. All right. Then on the hourly, we do have a very nice sell side here underneath these lows here. So I think we will take at least one out before we smash higher. Let's switch to the where is it? To my 50-minute bellwether chart. So um, you can see it pretty nice. We do have new week opening gaps down below here. We do have this opening range gap low here. So I think at the beginning of the um, opening, we will see lower prices and turn later on back higher. So for now, I do expect maybe some wicking through. For me, this is not content enough. I'm not sure if I will count these two because I don't really understand them. But yeah, like preferably I would like to see price going below it, smash higher. This would be somewhere here would be my terminus, I guess, because it's maybe it's not in alignment with the um, daily cluster conquer encouragement of the wicks, but it's lowest hanging fruit, and I should be fine with that first. So, also we're in a pretty nice uptrend on a 15-minute chart. Mm, let's see what we want to take out as soon as we open up. So let's jump to the So I barely forgot something here. What is with my hair is even wrong? All right, we have 4 minutes to go until we opened up. We had some crazy movements here. Around 7:30. I'm not sure. I don't know what this is, to be honest. I have absolutely no idea. But we will see where price want to go. I don't really count these and these because they're just wicking action, and I'm not sure what to think about those. So I will see how the price is pretending at the conquer encouragement of these levels, like here, here, and here, and then I will see what to think about this. But for now, we wait until the opening. 2.5 minutes left until we open up. Let's see. Let's see. 1.5 minutes left until we open up. Let's see. I really would like to see price first going to the downside because of several reasons. Where is my chart? There we go. We do have this opening range gap low here. Like this will be an opening range gap low. There has to happen something really crazy within the next 1.5 minutes to not make this a low. But I expect price to go down here. I hope it wicks through this lows here and then turns to the upside again. So I really think we will see higher prices after the swing to the downside. So yeah, let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. Back to the room. Let's see, 12 seconds. So the last 10 seconds give me an indicator where price want to run as soon as it opens. This looks like probably it will wick to the upside first and then go to the downside. That could happen. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. And as soon as we took out some measure of a buy side, I think we will go lower, take out a measure of a sell side, and then we will go higher again. But I will wait. I will not take the long here. Like I will wait until it took the buy side, which could be enough now. It could be enough here, or even on the counter encouragement of this wick here. This could be enough as well, but yeah, let's see where price will turn. And then I would like to see the sell side being taken out, and afterwards again up move. So let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. Music on the groom. So, this could be enough, but yeah, probably will turn here. Like that's the thing I talked about before. I think we wick higher and then go to the downside. Mhm. So as soon as we break some sell side here, which would be like for me, I just would take, or I just would look for a long if we hit the 2140.50 level, like this here where my cursor is right now. Yeah, like 2140, 2140.50, something like this, around this low, which is 2140. And if we take this out, I would look for a long. If we just smash higher right now, I would not um, I would not stay in a trade. I would not even take a trade. Like I would not even consider doing anything in the market today, for several reasons. I mean, first of all, it's Friday, and Friday isn't my friend. And secondly, and even more important, is that we had this crazy move here on the 5 minute chart with a lot of wicking up and down, and at least I don't know where this is coming from. So with price action like this, I don't really like it to be in a trade, because most of the times I will stick in the trade and it will not let me out. Like I will be there caught up and fucked up. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to be there. So let's see. We still have not we still have not even a first presented for value gap. So it's about time for it to form. Well, this could be a volume imbalance here, but let's see. I do think price will close negative, like to the downside and not to the upside. Why is my magnet not working? There we go. And here as well. There we go. There we go. There we go. And come on. Grab it. There we go. So let's see if I get my volume amount. But as I said, I don't really think so. I do think, in fact, that price will close to the downside. But looks like I'm wrong. And that's good, because that means we have our volume imbalance here. It's pretty cool. So this could be used as a some kind of support. Like first of all, it will draw the price to this level. So this is a draw on liquidity here, or rather a draw to fill the liquidity here, the gap, the liquidity gap. And Afterwards, it's very depending on how price is reacting at this level. Like we could trade to it and capitulate before we even make it through it. We just could trade higher. Like nobody knows, but we have another one here. That's a pretty strong price action there. That's a pretty strong price action there. Honestly, like two volume imbalances, one next to the other. That's something strong here. That is something strong here. Another one. What is going on here? So, this is a very important. This is a very important price action here. Like wicking through it, not being able to close below it, gets such a reaction right now, and closing with up close would be pretty bullish for price. Closing below it would be pretty bearish for price. Although it's not that important because it's in. I'm pretty sure it's in premium and not a discount. And yeah, like what is the yellow level? Is the yellow one the 0.5? Wow, that's a stupid color. There you go. Like none of these two levels are very important because, well, this one is right now because we switched. There we go. So this one is right now. Like this is premium. This is discount. GM vibe Voyager 1101. Yeah, so basically this would be more important than this one because this one is in premium, this one is in discount. So if we have an up moving price, we always look for PD arrays in discount because these are more valuable than PD arrays in premium. So, but as it seems, price is just going higher. And if I don't get an entry, like my pattern for macro, for those who don't know, is I wait for the macro, which is basically 950 to 1010, and I wait for a higher time frame key level to be violated, which could be, for example, the last day high from midnight or from open close. And as soon as this is violated, the price gives me the signal that it wants to turn, like a break of structure to the downside. I will look on the 5 minute, like I would look on the 50 minute for the break of the higher time frame key level. I would look after this on the 5 minute for a break of structure. And after I get a break of structure, I would look at the 1 minute for something like, I don't know, a fair value gap, a volume imbalance, something like this to enter my trade. But only if it's fitting, only if it is fitting my narrative. Like for example, if I'm bearish, I would only take longs. Shorts. If I'm bullish, I would only take longs. Like I was kind of a contra trend trader, but I try to change that because in the contra moves you're not able to get these much points. Like you're very limited. So giving shit about it. um, like if this happens, this is also some measure of insecurity in the market, in my opinion. So if levels are not respected, I don't really like that. Like, let's give it a chance. It could be just an inversion level where price is going through it, closing below it, and then closing somewhere here, leaving a bit of this gap open, retesting it, and then smashes lower. That would be pretty cool. If so, then I would enter the short here, at least until this sell side here. So I would take something like, I don't know, 40 to 50 points. There we go. This is very important now. Like how price is reacting here is very important. Nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. We tested this. Let me switch this one because we don't need this one anymore. We tested this one here and capitulated. And wow, this is nice. Come on, give me weakness. Give me weakness. Give me weakness. If price stays weak, this is fucking awesome. So I like this. I like this. This is awesome. Yeah, come on. Okay. Um, like this could be a short here. Why? Because we have this break of structure here. We do have a breaker here, but um, this is not enough for me because we just fell short before we were able to take out this buy side above this high here, and we go lower now. So what I think is still like before, that we will go lower, take out some sell side, and as soon as we did this, we will turn and go to the upside again. And I'm just interested in the upside move. Why? Because the whole 50-minute chart is giving me some upside vibes here. We do have this huge buy side here, which is really, really a lot. Also, we do have on the, where's my mouse? Also, we do have on the daily this cluster of conquer encouragement CEs of the wicks. Well, this is pretty bad right now, but if I take the B adjustment on, you can see better. Like of these three wicks, this is the cluster. You can see that it was respected before. It will be respected again, and also it's like a draw on liquidity. So price wants to go up there. But first, first I want to see some. First, I want to see some sell side being violated. And I don't talk about this 1 minute sell side here. I talk about something bigger. Like I talk about 5 minute sell side. This could be this one here. This could be this one here. Even the conquer encouragement of this cluster here, which is somewhere between this level and this level, would be enough for me if we go down here and if we take this out and then smash higher. I would be fine with that. But I will not take counter trades. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So. Alrighty. So I would like to see price having a stop. There's something wrong here. It's not just a fair value gap. This is the fucking first real-time hour fair value gap of today, the 9th of May. So I would like price to fail at the volume imbalance, or like I need it to fail at the fair value gap of 9th of May, because if it goes through it and if it tests it from the upside and smashes higher, I would stay sidelined and I wouldn't do shit today. All right, the music isn't liking my vocabulary. Is shit too rude? Is shit too rude? Like, if I say shit, is YouTube is YouTube making me less visible? Like, instead of 6 views, just 3? Man, I don't know what happened. Like, there was a time, maybe before the vocabulary, I had like 50, 60. One even has 80 views. I earned a lot of subscribers due to my shorts. I don't do that anymore. Like I do shorts, but the views are somewhere between 2 to 500. Before I had like 1 to 3K. So probably it's because of my vocabulary, but I couldn't care less. Yeah, that's what I talked about. That's what I talked about. I want to see this reaction, and I don't want to see price going above this level here. If we close above this level of the volume imbalance, I stay sidelined. I would rather see it fail here, go lower, and respect even this level here. That would be cool. That would be cool. The dog of my brother is thinking I whistle to him. No. Okay. That's exactly what I like to see. This is nice price action. This is very nice price action. We're basically in the macro of 950 to 1010. Right now, I want to see some sell side being violated. And after this, after the sell side is being violated, I would freaking look for a long here. But I need some sell side being violated. Otherwise there's nothing for me to take. Ah, put hands up in the air. Nice wicking to the downside is, and not wicking, but gapping to the downside. If we close like this, it would be pretty cool. Will we? Will we close like this? I don't know. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. But I do think we will. So let me draw this out because this looks a bit too bearish to me to not close down. So where is it? There we go. This will be the volume imbalance. And right now we should see some really heavy price action. Like I want to see price being like falling down, like it's fucking trapped. Like it's fucking trapped. Yes, exactly like this. Exactly, 100%. Nice. All right. All right, this is nice. That's okay. So, just a bit more would be cool. Just a bit more would be pretty, really cool. Yeah. Yes, and now I would need something like a break of structure to the upside, and then I would go long. But it needs a bit of time, so probably it's about to take out more sell side to fuck with the buyers and to test the stops. Man, crypto is going crazy again. Crazy again. Like, especially this whole Hex thing, the Pulse chain. There is some huge potential there. Some huge potential. Huge moochie potential. Da, 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 da. I thought about making crypto streams as well, but no, that's not possible. But yesterday price action was after 11:15 doesn't allow to enter. It was so rapid. Yeah, man. I'm pretty sure it was yesterday where we had rate cuts, wasn't it? Hold on, let me see. Oh no, we had unemployment claims. Yeah, man. Yesterday I ended the stream prematurely because we had like Trump was speaking. Trump was speaking about the relationship between USA and the UK, and this is our huge economic news, and market is very volatile in such situations. Combined with the rate cut announcement from the Fed the day before yesterday, like I think it was on Tuesday. I'm not sure, Tuesday or Wednesday, probably Wednesday. And these things combined make some insecurity in the market. So price is very volatile. You can see it here as well. Let me switch to the. No, I don't need to switch. You can see it here as well. Like this is even without any reason behind it. Like we hadn't had some news, we hadn't had nothing basically, but price made a range of 140 points without anything, like without anything. This is a pretty rapid price action here. Like you can see it. It's not even with huge bodies. It's huge wicks and small bodies. So this indicates that price was really fucking around. So, but right now we're just trading inside of a range. I really don't like this. But we respect the levels, and that's pretty okay. So as long as we do respect the levels, I'm pretty sure that price is still doing what it's doing. And it's doing the right thing. Oh. Price is better giving me some entry until 10-10. 10-10-1, 10-10-2, 10-10-3. I think every one of you should know this video, or this Japanese or Chinese guy um, needs to count. I don't know what it was, but I'm pretty sure it was like from 1 to 100. And as soon as he was hitting the number 20, he was, instead of saying 20, he was saying 10-10. And this was going on until I think 40 or so, where he said 10-10-10-10, 1, 10-10-10-10, 2, 10-10-10-10, 4, 3, and so on and so far. And this is because I think if I'm right now, in the Japanese or Chinese culture, people don't have like 11, 12, 21, 22. Um, they stop at 10, and everything above it is 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10, and then it's 10, 10, 1, 10, 10, 2. So I have to look it up, but I'm pretty sure about this. Right now we're trading through a tree upside again. So basically, I do think we have enough sell side right now, but it's very much depending on how price is reacting. Here, if we go down again inside this fair value gap and don't respect this volume imbalance at this fair value gap from the upside, um, that would mean that price isn't respecting my levels, and I wouldn't do anything. Like I would be sidelined, and I would be fine with that. Yeah, so basically exactly this. If price is doing this, I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. I'm just sitting here in the boring room, got nothing to do, got nothing to lose. uh, Hee hee hoo hoo. Ha ha. Oh man, what a Friday. It's Friday night. Saturday, Sunday. Oh. What a Friday here on NQ trading station. So wicking is allowed. It's absolutely allowed to wick outside, of the lines and to draw um, above the PD arrays, but closing, like it shouldn't close below this first region or fair value gap. If it's closing below it, this means price is too weak and price isn't willing to go higher, probably. But even this consolidating inside of the range is something I don't really like to see. What I prefer to see is price hitting the level, especially the first presented fair value gap of the real-time trading hour, and have an immediate reaction. Like I like it to touch it and then go in one or the other direction. And this indicates to me some very strong price action, but staying aside of it, wicking to the down and upside, but not really doing anything with the bodies is, I don't know, it's not, that's not so good. That's not so cool. Do, 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 do. So if we test it from the upside right now and smash immediately higher, I would take a long there. I would take a long there. But I need a reaction. I need a reaction for this button. For this button here. For this button here. I need a reaction. Shit. Shit, boy. That's cool. That's cool, but that's not enough. That is even cooler. Like if we close with a wick, with a come on, with a fair value gap, that would be absolutely enough. But I want to see some reaction. Because right now, in my opinion, if we look on the at the 15-minute time frame, if we assume we have to take out some sell side before we go higher, right? In my eyes, this wick here and this sell side here isn't enough. If you got something juicy like this here, you don't even need this one here. I absolutely go with it if someone says this is too far away. I'm fine with that, but this here is absolutely nice. And coming this close but not taking it out, oh, I don't know. Smells fishy to me though. So let's switch to the midpoint again. And what we see is basically that we see nothing. Nothing. So right now, I would like to see how price is behaving at the, yeah, that like, forget it. I wanted to say how price is behaving at the conquer encroachment of this wick, but right now we smash lower. And I think this will be what I talked about. I think this will be the move where price takes out even more sell side liquidity before it runs higher, and this was just tricking buyers into the market, or it smashes just lower. This could be also the case, but I don't think so. I think we will close up. We will close bullish or green. We will close green. Let's put it that way. If price continues this up and down, wicking inside of a range, I will end. I will end and I will leave this charts, but because this I don't know, this is nothing for me though. But only if we continue doing that. If you look on the 5-minute chart, this is a mess. This isn't beautiful at all. Like this is always just balancing the price action. I don't know. But for now, it looks like we go higher. Hmm. 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 And it failed. Like price failed at. Oh, price failed at this. Where is it? Where was it? Come on, I lost it here at this bookmark here. So um, basically, that's indicates this is indicating some strength here. Man, after the stream, I will fucking sleep on 30 minutes. I need a power nap. I slept like 4 hours, three and a half hours. Yeah. Yeah. Well, my internet connection was interrupting shortly. Why was this the case? Tell me. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me.
Dark night beats, steps in sync, baseline deep, feel the link. Hi-hats crisp, echo fades, subtle pats, sound cascades. Glitch and click, groove in time, lose yourself in the rhyme. Steady beat, four on floor, echoes flow, wanting more.
Wanting more.
Atmosphere, hypnotize, rhythms here, caught your eyes. Feel the bass, under skin, dance the night, let it spin. Atmosphere. Hypnotize. Rhythms here. Caught your eyes. Feel the bass.
So
Underspin.
it
Dance
really
the
seems
night.
like we will end this here prematurely as well, like yesterday, because I don't like this price action. I said it before, we're just barcoding, wick-wack, zigzagging around, and I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do with it. That's why I'm just sitting here on my fucking phone, like, what should I do with this price? It's not even respecting. It's not respecting nothing. Not the first presented fair value gap, not the volume imbalances, not the highs, not the lows, nothing. It just climbs higher. And yeah, that's kind of stupid. I really don't know what to do with this price. Maybe you guys, you got any idea? Like, I got 2 viewers. Maybe you have any idea what to do? Let me answer Vibe Voyageur. I don't know if he listened to my what I said about this his message or her. Yeah, so I'm sorry that I'm just sitting here and doing nothing, but I don't know what to do here. I really don't know. Like, this is a pretty boring price action.